Okay, 2.2 takes a look at adding and subtracting integers. So this is something I know you're probably familiar with, but this will be a nice little review. So let's see. Find the value. So we did a little bit of this already in the last section. So I have -2 plus 5. That's the same as 5 minus 2. I could write it that way. 5 minus 2 is 3. Or I could look at this and I could think about, okay, this is saying I'm $2 in debt. I deposit $5. Now I have $3, positive $3 in my account. Okay, what about number 2? So number 2, I actually have a unnecessary parentheses because 6 plus a -4 is the same as just 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Same idea in number 3 here. -4 plus a -2 is the same as -4 minus 2. Okay, so how do I deal with this? The way I think about this is, okay, I'm $4 in debt. I spend another $2. Now I have $6 on my credit card. I'm $6 in debt. Number 4. I'm $12 in debt. I pay back $6. I'm still $6 in debt. Or I can rearrange. I have $6. I spend 12. Now I'm $6 in debt. Either way, you can see I get the same answer. Okay. -32 minus 12. So again, let's see, I'm $32 in debt. I spend another 12. So now I'm $44 in debt. Okay, how does this work? This one was kind of interesting. Do you remember this? So here I have a double negative. So those negatives actually cancel each other out. So when I have that double negative there, that makes a positive. Okay, so -14 minus a -5 is -14 plus 5. There's my little rule. Okay. So 2 ways of thinking about that again. I can look here. I'm $14 in debt. I pay back $5. Now I'm $9 in debt. Or I can rearrange and I can say I have $5. I spend 14. Now I'm $9 in debt. Either way, I get the same answer. Here's another one of these double negatives. 6 minus a -2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, here I'm $15 in debt, spend another 10. Now I'm $25 in debt. Okay, when I have more than just 2 terms, I'm going to work from left to right. So I'm going to look at these first two terms. I'm going to group those together. So there I've got negative 22 plus 12. Just going to go ahead and bring the rest of the expression down as it is. Still going to work with the first two terms. Negative 22 plus 12. So I'm $22 in debt. I pay back 12. Now I'm $10 in debt. I'm going to copy the rest of the expression down. Okay, so negative 10 plus a negative 3 is the same as negative 10 minus 3. Always working with the first two terms here. $10 in debt, spend another 3. I'm $13 in debt. $13 in debt, spend another 2. I'm $15 in debt. Okay, $15 in debt, pay back 5. Now I'm only $10 in debt. I'm gonna make sure to box my final answer. Okay, how does this work? Find the missing number. Okay, maybe I'll start by simplifying a little bit on the left side. So 12 plus negative 5 is the same as 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, 7 plus what number is 20? So I can answer this by actually subtracting 7 from both sides. So the mystery number would be 13. Okay, can check that. Let's see, negative 12 minus 5 plus 13 is, let's see, negative where did I get a negative? Let me double check how I'm checking this. So this is why we check, because sometimes things don't make sense. Let's see, when I'm checking my answer, going back up here, so let me try this again. So 12 minus 5 plus 13 is 7 plus 13 is 20. So this is how I would check. So that looks good. Negative 4 minus what number is negative 6? Okay, let me start by adding the 4. Okay, so still got this negative in front because all I've dealt with so far is this term. So negative of the mystery number equals negative 2. So that means, doesn't that mean the mystery number has to be 2 if it's negative is negative 2? So let me check. So I go back up here and let's see how that looks. So negative 4 minus my mystery number is negative 6. Yes. Okay, negative 4 plus a mystery number is 6. Let's add the 4 to both sides. So this one, I guess, is a little bit easier. Our mystery number is 10. Let's check. Going back here, negative 4 plus 10 is 6. Yes, it works. And the last one for this section. It's a nice section.